Trauma doesn't disappear overnight, but healing is possible and support is closer than you think. For many survivors, the impact of trauma lingers long after the event. Intrusive memories, persistent anxiety, and hypervigilance can turn everyday life into a challenge. Emotional numbness and mistrust leave you feeling isolated and uncertain. Outpatient mental health care offers a lifeline, a flexible, structured pathway that allows you to begin healing without putting your life on hold. With support integrated into your daily routine, you can pursue recovery while still managing work, family, and personal commitments. Your healing journey may include a range of therapeutic approaches. EMDR gently reprocesses painful memories, while trauma-focused CBT challenges destructive thought patterns. Somatic therapy releases the physical tension built up in your body, and DBT strengthens your emotional resilience. Each method works to empower you, step by step, towards reclaiming the life you deserve. Healing doesn't erase the past. It transforms it into a source of strength and wisdom. Imagine walking along a serene coastal path, sunlight filtering through trees, and the rhythmic sound of ocean waves guiding you forward. In quiet moments, with a warm cup of coffee or a supportive conversation, small victories accumulate into a renewed sense of trust and hope. If trauma still shapes your days, compassionate help is available. You deserve safety. You deserve healing. Embrace hope today. Step forward into a future filled with calm, purpose, and renewed strength. Let your journey begin now, today.